Yo, what is up everybody? Welcome back to our channel One to Step, where we post tutorial video, and in today's tutorial video I'm going to be teaching you guys about Cash App. And what I'm going to be teaching you is how you guys can link your debit card on Cash App. So it's pretty simple to link your debit card in Cash App. Now why you want to link your debit card in Cash App is the basic use of Cash App is to send and receive money. So to send some money to a friend, you need to load some money on your Cash App, and how you guys can do that is by linking your debit card. So let me tell you guys how you guys can do it. As you guys can see on my screen, I have $0 in my Cash App. What you want to do is be sure to hit the like and subscribe before we move forward, and turn on that notification on, and let's get started. All right, so you want to open your Cash App and you want to click on this house looking icon. Now it's showing me this little house looking icon over here, but in your screen it might show you the amount of balance you have on your Cash App, so just keep that in mind. In some people it might show the house, and in some people it might show the amount of balance you have on your Cash App. Since I have 0, it's showing me this house icon, so I'm going to click on this house icon. Once I'm over here, I'm going to click on where it says link bank. Once I click on link bank, basically it's going to take me over here where I need to enter my bank's debit card number. After entering my bank's debit card number, after entering your debit card, it's going to take you over here where you want to enter the last 4 digits of your debit card, and you want to enter the month, year, and CVV and the zip code of your debit card. And after entering that, you want to click on next. And after doing that, basically it's done. Your debit card will be linked, and it's going to be showing over here just like this. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can link your debit card on your Cash App. It's that simple. It's not complicated as well. But if you guys are confused somehow, you guys can rewatch the video, or you guys can ask me in the comment. So I will see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye, have a nice day, and do subscribe to our channel One to Step with notification on to get notified for future video. Bye bye, have a nice day.